Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by changing the batter to favor firmness. Use less sugar and less fat to reduce retained moisture. Once mixed, whisk dry ingredients longer to develop structure, about 30-45 seconds extra, so gluten binds more. Make sure to use melted butter, not oil, because butter firms as it cools. This yields tighter crumb. Mix only until combined after adding eggs. Overmixing later causes toughness, but a bit more initial dry development helps create a hard brownie texture overall. Now adjust baking to drive off extra moisture. Increase oven temperature by 10 to 15 degrees C, 20 to 25 degrees F, and use a metal pan for faster heat transfer. Once in the oven, bake until the top is set and slightly darker. Go a touch past the usual doneness, but watch closely so it does not burn. Make sure to press batter thinner in the pan for crisper edges. When done, cool in the pan to continue firming, as residual heat evaporates moisture slowly. Finish by letting brownies cool fully in the pan. You must resist cutting hot pieces because cooling completes firming. Once cooled, chill 1 to 2 hours to set fats and starches. This makes them hard and sliceable. Make sure to store airtight to prevent humidity softening. Refrigerate for even firmer texture. If a batch turns out soggy, return slices to a 160 degrees C/325 degrees F oven for 5 to 10 minutes uncovered to dry them quickly. The method recovers moisture issues without adding flavor loss.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.